In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you want to clean up your Photos app from all of your pictures you don't need much faster than usual, then I will show you exactly how to do it. Don't worry, I tested it on this iPhone and many others, so I can assure you it will work. First, open Photos app. Then tap on Collections at the bottom left corner and pick one of your folders from which you want to get rid of your pictures. Now, when you're ready, hit Select at the top right corner and then select All at the top left one. Finally, click on all of your photos you wanna keep, and to get rid of the rest, use this pin at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my photos were successfully deleted. But since I'm recording iPhones for a long time now, I know I will get one question, at least once. What should I do if I deleted a photo by mistake? Trust me, I was there with you, so I will show you exactly how to do it right now. Quick disclaimer, after deleting a photo, you have 30 days to restore it, so do it fast. Go back to Collections first, scroll all the way down, and hit Recently Deleted. Now you can restore your photo by holding it and tapping on Restore option. In the pop-up, just click on Recover and wait. You can get rid of it the same way. This time though, confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you wish, you can always tap on a photo and tap on Delete or Recover here. To recover or delete multiple, hit Select at the top right corner, click on them, and then choose those three dots at the top right. To choose Delete or Recover from this pop-up. Last but not least, if you want to delete or recover all of your photos from Bin, hit Select at the top right corner, then three dots right away, and pick one of those options. Then confirm your choice and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!